I'm Haley from MAXIZM. Today I'm introducing the SHANTUI SG15-B6 motor grader ready to ship. It has a Cummins engine with 112 kilowatts, weighs 14,450 kilograms. It's powerful, fuel efficient, and easy to maintain. The braking system is safe and reliable, and the controls are simple and efficient. The cab is spacious and comfortable, with excellent visibility and a modern dashboard. The blade float protects both the machine and the ground. Turbocharged diesel power and 17.5 25-wide base tires ensure strong traction and off-road performance. This grader is ideal for road, airports, farmland, and snow removal. Optional attachments make it versatile for many tasks. For any construction machinery needs, feel free to contact us. Thank you.